If your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 doesn't track sleep properly, then let me show you what you can do in order to solve this issue. So the most important part is to simply make sure that the wrist is properly aligned to our skin. If you are wearing your wrist not properly, if it's for example quite loose, you can easily rotate your watch on your wrist, then this can cause some issues with collecting sleep data. And if you have tattoos on your wrist over here where you are wearing your watch, this can also be an issue. Sometimes because of tattoos, the smartwatch cannot collect sleep data and some other data as well. There's a option that allows you to kind of solve it, so you can give it a try. So let's open settings. Over here in settings, you need to scroll down until you find security and privacy. And then over here you should be able to find wrist detection, and you want to turn it off. So you want to turn it off, and over here we can also read that only turn this off if your watch has problems detecting when it's on your wrist, which may happen if you have tattoos. So yeah, this is just a confirmation. So in case you have issues with your smartwatch not reading some data, including the sleep data, then of course you can turn this option off, and perhaps this will solve your issues. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.